Hey everyone, welcome back to Stay Happy. So, I just wanted to start off by saying Happy Independence Day and Happy July 4th! Yay! Okay, so right now you are looking at fireworks, because what's Independence Day without fireworks? Independence Day is like fireworks are the best part of Independence Day. It was like the best thing of Independence Day, and you look forward to it all day long. That's so many fireworks, and they're so huge. What do you think of these fireworks? They're playing music in the background. Come on, where'd the fireworks go? Oh, here they come. Oh yeah. Yes. Awesome. They're huge. I love how they shoot a big one and then it makes all those tiny baby ones. They're cute. Right, and they kind of make like the baby ones, they make that like the pippity pop sound. When they pop. They're so amazing, like just look at them. They're awesome and very, very colorful, if I do say so myself. And I do. And they're huge. And like when they shoot a really bright one or a really huge one, or they shoot a lot, like one time, it's like a huge lightning came on Earth and it went kapow! Kapow! What kind of music is this? I just like to sit back and look at the fireworks. Yes. Yay! So many colors. So bright. Sorry if it's like a little glitchy. And you know when like one firework pops and it's like one color, but then when it pops, there are like so many other colors. Like a pink one pops, red and blue are like red and blue dots fill the sky. They're so bright. Oh. I love how they launch so many at the same time. It's like, yeah, keep the fireworks going. Woohoo. This is a whole lot of fireworks. I don't know how you would buy so many fireworks. Especially because, fireworks and Independence Day, they like go together in a really great way, and all of these people are out to buy fireworks, so you don't want the stores to get sold out. I hereby declare today Fireworks Day. Not also Independence Day. Independence plus Fireworks Day. What about that name, huh? And each time they keep going higher. Yeah, it makes me feel like they're going higher, yeah. Like, are they like, the things they plaster, are they like making it go more up to the sky or something? No, I think it just depends on the type of firework. Nice. Oh, look at all those pippity pops. I call them pippity pops. Pippity pops. opera. I bet you like opera.
What?
Pops.
Like, no.
There's a opera ticket to that new concert.
Probably not gonna go.
Just keep it with you. Here's some extras for your friends.
Yeah. No.
How dare you? Now, just saying there's not such a thing as opera. Just in case.
I think.
Well, no. Not that I know of. Just saying.
Not that I know of.
Like, there could be, but I don't know of it. I think I've heard this one.
Yeah. Yes, please. More fireworks. Yay.
Yay. Like, who doesn't like fireworks?
No.
Unless you're, like, afraid of super loud noises or something. At first, I didn't like super loud noises. They were annoying. They were so annoying.
Yeah, but you just get
But
used
I
to
got
it.
used to it. They're still a bit of annoying, to be honest. Like when you're focused on something, and then on the 4th of July, you want to relax, and then a firework goes kaboom and ruins, and then it just ruins everything.
More fireworks.
Just give me more.
Yeah.
Just maybe turn down the volume a bit.
Not that you can turn down the volume.
Yeah, they're
of
not a
fireworks.
TV. You can't just go, okay, remote, click the turn down a volume button. There we go. And then firework goes kaboom in your face. Oh, well, I guess it didn't work.
Obviously.
Duh.
You can't control fireworks. Loud.
Soft or something. Song's catchy.
Yeah.
It's so beautiful. The fireworks are very beautiful, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
And after they explode, see those? It just happened, those dots. It's really fun. If you haven't seen fireworks, I recommend this video for you. Not too loud. So, yeah. If you don't like loud noises, but you would love to see a firework, this video is for you. Fireworks party.
You wanna know what a fireworks party is? It's when all fireworks come
Gather.
together to have a party.
They're so happy they explode. But
Yeah.
then they die, so too bad for them. I'm so too bad for them. But I don't care.
Because they're not living things.
Party, party.
So basically, we just wanted to
show you some fireworks and say
Happy
Happy 4th of July and Happy Independence Day / Fireworks Day. So don't get your hopes down when the fireworks are going up.
Cause
Fireworks, like up means happy, down means sadness, so don't do that. Go up!
also, we just wanted to show you guys this video because, you know, everybody's stuck at home right now, and, you know, there might not be any fireworks in your area, or you can't see them, and, you know, you can't go anywhere because coronavirus is ruining lives right now.
So,
yeah.
here we go.
And this is pretty much the end of our video. So don't forget to stay happy.
Happy 4th of July!